So we have this Honda City here. It's a 2006 model ZX, and I'm going to change the brake pads of this Honda City. They are completely worn out. You can see from this window. You can't see this slot for the pad. There's this slot for the pad which you normally have. I can't see that in this old one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll tell you what spanners you require. You need a 12 mm box spanner, a screwdriver if required, and a monkey plier. So these are the spanners you require to open the brake pads. I'm going to first push back the old pad. This would help me push back the wheel cylinder to its original position, which I'm going to try now using the screwdriver. We're going to try putting a large diameter screwdriver in this to cut some more leverage. So there you are, that's the gap. To remove these two caliper bolts, which are 12 mm. So there you are. This is your caliper. Just need to balance it somewhere. This is your old pad. So look at this. There's nothing left. Look at the comparison. So these are the original Honda Nissin calipers, Nissin pads. You get it for anywhere around 1100-1200 rupees. I'm going to remove them. Sometime back I had already applied grease to this caliper pins. So if you look at this, they're fresh, still fresh with the grease. I'm not going to change the boot now for this caliper pins. It's good that you normally change the boots, but this was something that came ad hoc, so I don't have the boots and I don't have time to change it now. I'll do it sometime later, but this is something you need to change. Now, one of the things I would like to tell you about the Honda brake pads. The brake pads are similar in a Brio, in a Amaze, and the new Honda City as well. In terms of the pad size, all you need to do is with the ZX model, this guide which fits in the caliper, this is a lot thicker. In the new models, this thing is thinner, almost half the size. So when you buy it, make sure that when you go for a ZX brake pad, you need to look at the bigger guide for the calipers, the pads. I'm going to put this new pad inside now. I'm going to apply some grease to this area. Put this new pads. If you look at this, the pads are there are two different types of pads. One has this clip over here and one doesn't have it. The clip will go on the top and side, on the inside, and the one that has no clip will come from the outside. There you go. I'm going to put back the caliper. I'll have some difficulty putting back the caliper because I need to push back the piston inside the caliper furthermore, because these pads are new, the distance is more, and that's what you need to do to change the brake pad of a Honda City.